Renowned for our commitment to excellence and reliability, Dumpster Daddy Cincinnati is your premier choice for dumpster rental in Westchester, Ohio. Whether you are managing a residential cleanup, a home renovation, or a commercial construction project, our team ensures that your waste disposal needs are handled with precision and professionalism. At Dumpster Daddy Cincinnati, we understand the importance of efficient and timely waste management. That's why we offer an extensive range of dumpster sizes to accommodate projects of any scale. Our dumpsters are designed to handle all types of waste, ensuring your cleanup process is seamless and stress-free. With our commitment to prompt service and customer satisfaction, you can trust Dumpster Daddy Cincinnati to deliver on our promises. Our team of professionals is committed to providing top-tier service at competitive prices, ensuring that your waste disposal experience is as smooth and efficient as possible. When you choose Dumpster Daddy Cincinnati, you choose reliability, professionalism, and peace of mind. Ready to experience hassle-free waste management in Westchester, Ohio? Contact Dumpster Daddy Cincinnati today at 513-586-8313 or visit our website at www.dumpsterdaddycincy.com. Dumpster Rental Westchester OH to book your dumpster rental and experience the difference of superior service.